For some reason I cannot see the YouTube chat. But I can see that it's showing, right? Oh my goodness. We got title, we need description. Description is gonna be kitchen command center, aka family board. Only good vibes. Let me see if am I audible? It's quite low. If I think, yeah. No, it's fine. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I hope OBS will not kill me today. So I have to admit it's playing tricks with me. For some reason it hangs on the on my display capture. The external monitor, it just freezes, and then I need to restart it from the OBS menu, which I hate, but it is what it is. I would also love if ghost chat would work. YouTube channel ID. What is my YouTube channel ID? Is it this one? Share channel. Alrighty. You probably cannot see anything, but it's fine. That's expected. How the fuck can I get this shit? It must be this thingy. It is this thingy. So why the heck Ghost Chat is not working? No bueno. Anyways. Okay, go to hell then. We're doing this for kicks anyways. Let me show you what I have right now. I have this very simple app. Really? All right, now we're in. Oof. As with any vibe-coded apps, we're gonna get a lot of errors, but the trick is to ignore it until you cannot ignore it. So we have this guy, we have some different views. Oh, this is something to fix immediately. And let's make Claude work. And while Claude is working, let me see what I typed into stuff to tackle next. This is one thing I was not great at the beginning, which is I was always waiting for AI to finish the task and then I would start thinking about another one. So now I'm trying to pile up things, not like in the Ralph Wiggum style of development where I have like for loop that just does tasks. I'm not there yet in terms of my trust in AI, but we'll get there, I hope. I think I think it requires much more guardrails. Jesus, if I can speak properly. Okay, it came up with something. Okay, I'm gonna just trust that it knows what it's doing. I for sure don't. So I know Dart. I know Dart. I just don't know Flutter. I have some UI tasks to do. But I think we need to focus on one thing. So the reason why I started working on this project is actually my wife pinging me some, expensive hardware. And to be honest, I don't see myself paying for that. And since I'm looking for some ideas for SaaS or like just side income, I thought that it's going to be an interesting idea to develop a mobile app. I was kind of avoiding that, and I think that's a mistake. It's very easy to build, and looks like people are more happy to just install app instead of go on a website. And I can understand that. I'm doing the same, right? So we're gonna go with in that direction, and yeah, we'll see if we can actually make some money out of it. Something is not working here. So my problem when vibe coding in the land that I'm not familiar with is the error messages. Like, I cannot understand anything from this. I see there is some iteration over something, but what is it? No clue. All right. So we change this guy and it's much better. Beautiful. Okay, it's responsive. Great. This actually looks very nice. Like, I can put in my to-dos, remove assigned from calendar day view if there are no unassigned tasks. You know what, since I can't see the chat, maybe I can see it in the YouTube Studio app. Can I? Okay. I'll try to keep an eye on the chat, but it's not gonna be easy. Yeah. Anyways, let's commit that. Okay, we have this guy. This could actually be our default view for the dashboard instead of the full month. I think Flutter has debugger, right? I wonder if, because like this cell highlight is pretty annoying. But I think I started already to do for that. Mm-hmm. This we already did in a separate project. I hate when it does that. It just like jumps out of the blue. Okay, I think I understand what you're doing. Let's make you do it. I stumbled upon this one tweet from web dev Cody, which really annoyed me a bit. So here it is. So look at that. We're entering the era of one dev software teams. Agile teams of 10 plus devs collapse into one developer orchestrating 10 Claude Code terminals, each writing more code in 10 minutes than you wrote all week. 500k plus line systems built in a few months will become norm. Buckle up. First of all, I don't buy this premise, but my initial reaction to tweets like that is, first of all, check the bio, and lo and behold, agenticjumpstart.com. You know, the guy sells course on AI coding, so obviously he wants to sell you the vision that, you know, he's selling you the FOMO, right? You are missing out on something. You are missing out on 10 plus devs run as you. This is selling shovels in a nutshell. And I hate to see that from web dev Cody. I've been following him for a long time. I've been watching his videos, but I had to unfollow because he's turning into this person that just takes advantage of the hype. And on one side, I can't blame him. You know, the wave will not last that long. But, you know, it's just sad. And you know what's even funnier is that the same guy, look, this is the bottleneck I mentioned working with LLMs. If you want a quality product, forcing yourself to juggle 10 concurrent sessions isn't as useful as it sounds. So one day he's telling you, you know, if you want quality product, juggling 10 sessions, no bueno. Couple days later, hey, we're entering a new era. You need to juggle 10 Claude terminals. I wouldn't be surprised if the next tweet is, you know, pitching his course. Not a fan. Not a fan. Claude Code. Yes, my friend. We're using Claude Code. Okay, so this does work. All the cells are same size. Now we can tackle the problem with visuals. Oh, you only understand Claude Code out of everything. That's fine. Unfortunately, I cannot switch to Chinese, I suppose. Or am I? Is it me? Is my English so shit that you cannot understand me? It is a possibility for sure. It's not my first language. what was the name of, there you go, Stitch with Google. Nice. What are you working on? You mean using Claude Code at work? Or is it some personal project? God damn, OBS. Why are you doing this to me? On my second screen, I have opened the chat and the OBS window where I can just click restart capture because it freezes. So annoying. It's not hot reloading. Oof. Okay, it's still not dead. Mm-hmm. I wonder if I should try whisper flow. So I don't have to type in those comments. Is it expensive? It works on Mac, which is perfect. If it's not requiring me to give my credit card, I might give it a try right now. So why? Okay, I thought it's changing the size, but it's not. That's fine. Whisper flow. Shit. Jesus, there is so much background noise. Why is that? Pop, pop, pop. Is it? Is it working for me? I guess it is. Does it work with CLIs though? Because if it doesn't work with CLI, then it's kind of pointless for me. That looks much better. Okay, let's try commit this. I made this, all right. I guess I have thick accents or something. Or maybe it's because of the background noise. Okay, let's keep plowing through the items. This looks pretty decent at the moment. I think the indications disappeared. Interesting. I cannot see any events because it's December. Yeah, obviously. We need to make it a bit more visible. Okay, what else do we have? Cards, rounded corners. Is it actually that bad? Yeah, it is better. I like this look of the like slight shadow. I really need to figure out what's next. I'm kind of wanting to take care of this guy. It looks like you know, fun one for me. Why it's not hot reloading? Okay. I was really not aware of the fact that Flutter has such a powerful theming system. So let's think about like solving our problems. Like my wife always has something that she's tracking, like whether it's like a test Philip has, my son has at school. There's always something tracking. I need to figure out, like this is pretty useless if I'm being honest. I kind of want to try the white theme as well, the light theme. Shall we go after it? Let's go after it. I like it. Shit, this one is also pretty nice. But when you look at this guy, it's so distinctive. I knew how to, get stuck on the UI. In the meantime, let's see, whisper, flow, Claude Code. Oh, no, no, no. This looks pretty good. Nice font. Like, this is becoming too obnoxious, unfortunately. It's like third time I'm changing the UI. Fuck it. Let's do it.